much money the Tooth Fairy gave me. $11. And remember, if you guessed $11, you're getting money sent to your house. And let's get back to today's video. Let me show you around my farm. Let's go. Here's the chicken coop. Yeah, we got a protective lock just in case, roosters. There are chickens. Our main chickens. I just want to show you all of the chickens. And I actually have my personal favorite chicken. I wonder where he is. Fluff City! Probably remember this from a recent video. Yep, it's the dinosaur one. There's Jaeger. This is Gabby, my mare. And she just said hello. And this is my pony. This is my pony. His name's Root Beer.